You're cruising down the highway when suddenly, pause, that dreaded check engine light pops up. Your heart sinks, and you're thinking, great, am I looking at $1,000 repair bill here? But what if I told you there's a way to diagnose your car's problems instantly, right from your own garage, without paying those hefty dealership fees? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 iCarsoft OBD2 scanners that have been absolute game changers for car owners and mechanics alike. Number 1. iCarsoft CR Pro Plus 2025. Starting strong with the CR Pro Plus, and let me tell you, this is hands down the most versatile scanner on our entire list. What makes this baby stand out is its incredible 49 reset functions combined with 46 extra services. We're talking everything from oil service resets to brake bleeding, tire pressure monitoring, and even airbag system diagnostics. The bidirectional control feature is where this scanner really shines. Unlike basic scanners that just read codes, this baby can actually communicate with your car's computer systems to perform active tests. Want to test your fuel injectors? Done. Need to activate your ABS system for maintenance? No problem whatsoever. The interface is surprisingly intuitive for such a powerful tool. The large color display makes navigation smooth, and the lifetime free updates ensure your scanner stays current with the latest vehicle models. It covers virtually every car brand from 1996 onwards, making it incredibly versatile for multi-car households or professional shops. Price-wise, you're looking at a premium investment, but when you consider what dealerships charge for diagnostics alone, this scanner pays for itself after just a few uses. Number 2. iCarsoft CR Max 2025. The CR Max takes everything great about iCarsoft's technology and packages it in their most advanced consumer-grade scanner. What caught my attention immediately was the Intelligent Vehicle Health Report generation. This feature automatically analyzes your car's systems and provides a comprehensive health report, something you'd typically only get at premium service centers. The 47 special functions cover virtually every maintenance scenario you'll encounter. From ECU coding to advanced transmission diagnostics, this scanner handles it all. The data playback feature is particularly useful if you're documenting intermittent issues or need to share diagnostic information with other mechanics. The CAN-FD support ensures compatibility with the latest vehicle communication protocols, making this scanner future-proof for years to come. The included 38-pin Mercedes adapter and 20-pin BMW adapter show iCarsoft's commitment to covering premium European brands. The potential downside? This scanner's extensive capabilities might be overkill if you only work on basic vehicles or perform simple diagnostics. The interface, while feature-rich, can feel cluttered when you just need quick code reading. But for serious automotive enthusiasts, this level of detail is exactly what you want. Number 3. iCarsoft VAWS V3.0 2025. Here's where specialization really pays off. If you own any VAG Group vehicle, Volkswagen, Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Seat, MAN, or Skoda, this scanner is your golden ticket to dealership-level diagnostics. The VAWS V3.0 isn't just another generic scanner with VAG compatibility thrown in as an afterthought. This is purpose-built for these specific brands, which means deeper system access, more accurate diagnostics, and specialized functions you simply won't find in universal scanners. The ECU coding capability is where this scanner really shines. VAG vehicles are notorious for requiring coding after component replacements, and dealerships charge premium rates for this service. With the VAWS, you can perform these coding procedures yourself, potentially saving hundreds on routine maintenance. The 40 special services cover everything from airbag resets to advanced key programming. The full system's OBD2 diagnostic capability means you can access every module in your VAG vehicle, not just the standard powertrain systems that basic scanners reach. The interface is clean and logically organized, making it easy to navigate even complex diagnostic procedures. The 2025 version includes updated software that covers the very latest VAG models and communication protocols. Number 4. iCarsoft LRV 3.0 2025. Land Rover and Jaguar owners know the pain of expensive dealership visits. These luxury brands require specialized diagnostic equipment, and the LRV 3.0 is specifically engineered to meet those demands without the dealership price tag. The scanner covers models from 1996 to 2023, which means whether you're working on a classic Defender or the latest Range Rover, you're completely covered. The 37 service functions include everything from terrain response system diagnostics to air suspension calibration, procedures that would typically require expensive dealership equipment. What impressed me most was the 118 graphic data display capability. Instead of just numbers and codes, you get visual representations of system performance, making it easier to identify trends and potential issues before they become major problems. The bidirectional capability allows you to perform active tests on systems like the electronic parking brake, air suspension, and transmission controls. This level of system interaction is crucial for proper Land Rover and Jaguar maintenance. The 2025 version includes enhanced compatibility with the latest JLR vehicle architectures and communication protocols. The lifetime free updates ensure your scanner stays current as new models are released. Number 5. iCarsoft USV 3.0 2025. Rounding out our list with the USV 3.0, specifically designed for American automotive brands. If you drive GM, Ford, Chrysler, or Jeep vehicles, this scanner speaks your car's language fluently. The AutoVIN technology automatically identifies your specific vehicle, eliminating guesswork and ensuring you access the correct diagnostic procedures for your exact model and year. This feature alone saves significant time and prevents diagnostic errors. The 37 reset functions cover the most common maintenance procedures for American vehicles. From oil life resets to brake system bleeding, this scanner handles routine maintenance tasks that would otherwise require dealership visits. The limitation here is brand focus. If you work on import vehicles or European cars, this scanner's specialized American brand features won't help you. But the basic OBD2 functionality still works universally, so you're not completely limited to American brands. Now that we've covered each scanner's strengths and considerations, you're probably wondering which one is right for you. The answer depends on your specific needs, vehicle types, and diagnostic experience level. If you own multiple vehicle brands, the CR Pro Plus or the CR Max offer the most versatility. If you specialize in specific brands, the targeted scanners provide superior depth and functionality. Let's dive in to help you make the perfect choice for your automotive diagnostic needs. These 5 iCarsoft scanners represent the best diagnostic tools available today, each designed for specific needs and vehicle types. Remember to check those description links for the latest pricing and availability. Happy diagnosing!